Hi everyone, today in Integrated Math 2 we're going to go over Chapter 4, Lesson 5. Here are the objectives. Make sure you write them down in your notes. Alright, so the power property of equality. If you square both sides of a true equation, the resulting equation is still true. So just like what we've said before, when you're simplifying and solving for things such as x, if you do it to one side, you have to do it to both sides. It's not just to one side and it's not equal. Notice it says property power of equality. That means it needs to be shared on both sides. So if you square one side, you have to square the other side. And as you see here, if the square root of x is equal to 4, we can go ahead and square both sides here. What it's going to do here is it's going to go ahead and cancel out the square root with that square. So let's try an example here. We have the square root of 7x plus 4 minus 18, which is equal to 5. First thing you want to do, just like when we're solving for variables, we want to get some things by themselves. In this case, we will box our square root, that whole big thing. What's left outside of the box on the left-hand side is that negative 18. I want to move that negative 18 to the right-hand side. So I'm going to say plus 18 to both sides. So now I have the square root of 7x plus 4. And that is equal to 5 plus 8, which is 23. Alright, so now I have this square root here. I want to get rid of that. So, just like we saw previously, we can square both sides. Whatever you do one side, you have to do it to the other side though. I square it, and then I square it. So, just as a quick reminder and a little side note here, the square root of x as an exponent is x to the 1/2 power. So if I have x to the 1/2 power and I square that, what happens is now your exponents are gone. You're simply left with x. So this same idea, these are going to cancel. So now I do not have any square roots. I have 7x plus 4 is equal to 23 squared. Well, 23 squared is 529. So then I'm going to say 7x plus 4. You're going to get x by itself. Box your 7x. What's left on the left-hand side is this plus 4. Need to move it, so minus 4. If you do it to one side, you must do it to the other side. We are left with 7x, which is equal to 525. Almost done. Our box gets a little smaller. Box that x, divide 7 at both sides. It's being multiplied. Opposite multiplication is division. So now I have x is equal to 75. And that's it.